everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to draw a histogram. So a histogram is the same as a bar graph. It's just that a bar graph is discrete data, a histogram is continuous data, so it contains things such as age, height, things which are continuous. So I'll be showing you how to draw one and how you can classify the data that is being given to you. So don't go anywhere. Like, share, comment, subscribe, please. So I'm not here to waste the time. I will go straight into the video. Okay, now I am going to move to a histogram. I struggled finding a question with a histogram, so I don't have any. I'm going to use this to explain a histogram to you. So a histogram is basically, it's similar to a bar graph. It's just that this one is continuous data and the bar graph is actually discrete data, right? So sometimes you're given numbers like this and you have to group them into something like this. I'm going to explain how you do this, and then you have to draw your histogram. So it's always advisable to group it in like 0 to 9, 10 to 19, things like that, in tens, basically in tens. Most of the time it can be grouped for you, but let me just show you how you group if it's not done for you. Okay, so here 0 to 9, so the person did it in 9%, 9%, 9%, like that. So 0 to 9, you go to your data, you find nothing. 10 to 19, you find nothing. 20 to 29, so you look at everything which is between 20 and 29, including these numbers, and then you write how many did you find. You found 1, and so on. 30 to 39, you look, yes, 39, 34, and then you have 2, right, and so on, until you've covered all of these numbers, until all these numbers have a group they belong to. And then once that is done, but I don't think you should worry much about this. It's rare they ask, but just so you know, that's how you group it. For example, here 90 to 100, how many do we have? We just go here, we have a 96, we look, do we have a 90, do we have a 91, 200, something like that? We don't, so we only have 1, so it's like that. So when you draw your histogram, so for example, we don't have anything here, right? So for 0 to 9, we don't have anything. 10 to 19, we don't have anything. So that does not mean you're going to go from 0 and start at your 20 to 29. It does not work like that. You have to do your 0 to 9, have it empty, do your 10 to 19, have it empty, and then you start drawing your bars. So your bars must be of the same width. Just as in a bar graph, they have to be of the same width. So what you're going to do now is, okay, we know from 20 to 29 we have 1. So I'm going to go to my graph. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, blah blah blah. So 1, you do this. So as you draw this bar, so as I said, this is continuous data, meaning there's no space in between, so it overlaps into the next, and so on. So you do this, and then so this is going to connect to this one, so it's like that, like that, like that, and then you have your histogram. So it's, if you know how to draw a bar graph, you know how to draw a histogram. So the only difference is that we don't say 1, 2, 3, 4, we say 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29, and so on. So that is basically everything you need to know about a histogram. I could not find a question, so I could do it for you. So yeah, I have to use this. So this is just how it goes. You know how to draw a bar graph, you don't have to worry about a histogram.